Konnichiwa, Senpai Tachi. Welcome back to my channel. Watashi wa Desu Senpai desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon para notify kayo from my upcoming uploads. So for today's topic is part 2 of how to read numbers using Japanese language. So, kung hindi niyo pa po napapanood yung part 1, itong how to read numbers using Japanese language, please watch that first. Kasi baka hindi kayo makaka-catch up dito sa aking part 2 or second video. So, at the end of this video, I would like to remind you guys na meron tayong ulit short quiz. So, let's start. We have 4 decimals. So, nagbigay muna ko dito ng whole number. And then, we have translation for Nihongo or Nihongo for hiragana and romaji. And then, meron tayo itong kanji. So, etong kanji na to, sabi ko nga din sa unang video, kailangan din natin maging familiar with the kanjis para mabasa din natin kapag kanji yung ating nakikita or nababasa. So, we have 15. 15 is jugo, and this is its kanji. So next we have 1.5. So sa 15 meron tayong 15.0. Ito, hindi ito binabasa dito sa 15. Kumbaga, no need na siyang basahin na 15.0, ganon. Since 0 lang din naman siya. Pero, pagdating dito sa 1.5, when it comes to 1.5, syempre, magkaiba na siya. Iba na ang kanyang value. So, iniisog ko, pupunta doon sa gitna yung point or decimal point. So, ang 1 in Nihongo is ichi. Ang decimal point is teng. And ang 5 is go. So, kung babasahin natin siya, ichi, teng, go. So, iniusog ko naman ng dalawa. 1, 2. So, naging 0.15. Sa English, pwede natin siyang basahin ng 0.15. Pero, pag sa Nihongo, ang 0 point is babasahin natin as reiteng. Then, yung mga values dito sa after ng decimal point, dito sa right side, babasa natin sa kanya is per number na. Ichi and go. So you can see, mababasahin natin siya ng buo, magiging reiteng, ichi, go. Next, we have, inano ko naman, pinusog ko naman ulit ng isa. So, 1, 2, 3. So, pagbasa natin sa English is 0.015. Kaya mas sinabi ko kanina, kapag ang mga numbers after ng decimal point sa right side, is babasahin natin siya ng per number. So, magiging reiteng 0, ichi, go. So, we have here 4 fraction. So in English, binabasa natin siya from sa taas bago yung sa baba. So, ang basa natin sa kanya is 1/2. Or 1/2. So, sa Nihongo naman, ang pagbasa sa kanya is from baba papunta sa taas. So, unahin natin ang sa baba. We have number 2. So, in Nihongo, it is ni. Ang over naman ay bun, no. Ang bun, meaning, it is a part. And ang no, ang particle no is ginagamit kapag sinundan niya ay, kumbaga, it signifies na parte niya or pagmamay-ari nung sinundan niya yung kung ano yung kasunod nung no. So, bunno. Tapos, yung sa taas is number 1. So, it is ichi. So, magiging ni bunno ichi. So, next we have 3/4. So, from baba pataas ulit, we have 4 is yong. And then, bunno. Kung sa gitna. And then, 3 is sang. So, babasahin natin siya ng buo. Magiging yong bunno sang. Next, we have 4, 1, 8. So, start dito, pupunta doon. So, 8 is hachi, bunno, ichi. Since this is 1, so, magiging hachi, bunno, ichi. Okay? Next, we have 4%. We have 80%. Since ang 80 in Nihongo is hachiju. Hachiju. And then we have the we have the percent sign. Percent sign. This is pa sen to. So, percent sa Nihongo or pasento is a loan word sa English, kaya siya ginamitan ng katakana. Next, we have for 15%. So, 15 is jugo. And then, we have the percent sign, which is pasento. So, magiging, basahin natin siya ng buo is jugo, pasento. Next, we have for last 10% of the company. So, 10%. 10% natin dito asaan? Ito, ju, pasento. 10 is ju. And then, we have the percent sign, pasento. Then, we have here the no, kaishain. Kaishain is company employee. Ito yun, company employee. Yan. Kaya, magiging kaishain no, ju, pasento. So, next we have for the price. For 8,000 yen. So, dito, ito yung ating natandaan, yung yen. And ito. So, yan, pareho yan. Ang ibig sabihin yan ay yen. Pero ito, mas binabasa sa as N. So, ito yun, N. Since ang sabi ko nga sa last video, which is part 1 of this how to read numbers, sabi ko doon is ang 8,000. Ang 8,000 is a special number. Kaya kapag binasa siya sa Nihongo, nagiging haseng. Babasahin natin siya ng buo. Ang 8,000 yen is haseng en. Next, we have 200 yen discount. So, we have the magic word discount. So, ito ang kanyang kanji, wari, biki. Ito ang kanyang hiragana. Ito ang kanyang romaji. So, sa Nihongo, ang discount is waribiki. Then, we have the number 200. 200 is niyaku. Niyaku. And then, we have the yen sign. So, ito din ang ating N. So, kung babasahin natin siya, niyaku and waribiki. Next, we have for the half price. So, kumbaga ito is 50% discount. Discount. Yan. Ang half price sa Nihongo is hanggaku. We have the hanggaku. And then, ito yung kanyang kanji. Slide, we have for mathematical operation. So, mathematical operations naman tayo ngayon. We have here the for addition, tasu, subtraction, hiku, multiplication, kakeru, division, waru, and equals is wa. So, yun lang naman ang kailangan yung memorize sa mathematical operations. Taso, hiku, kakeru, waru, and wa for equals. I have here examples. So, ichibang. So, ichibang. 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. So, meron na tayo dito ang hiragana nito. Hachi, taso hachi wa juroku. Ibang. We have 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. So, in Nihongo it is hachi, hiku, yong, wa, yong. Next, we have for sambang. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. So, in Nihongo it is ichi kakeru ni wa ni. Saigo, yung bang, we have 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. So, in Nihongo it is ju waru ni wa go. So, yun lang. That's it for the second part of the how to read numbers using Japanese language. So now, as sabi ko nga kanina, we're going to have a short quiz after the discussion. So, sorry lang, kasi dito meron akong complicated ones or mga complicated parts. You just have on this quiz, same as part 1, you are going to translate every number dito sa ating quiz. And using the decimals, now we are going to use our decimals, fraction, percent, price, and mathematical operations. So, meron ako dito sa mathematical operations na kayo ang mag-solve kung ano yung sagot. So, pero madali lang naman siya. Alam kong kayang-kaya niyo yan. So, now, I am going to give you 1 minute or ipundake to answer these questions or to translate these numbers into Nihongo, or you can just write it on Romaji or Hiragana. Okay, your time starts now. Hi, jikang desu. Kotaemashou. Ichibang. We have 0.08. The answer is, kotae wa 0.08. Nibang. 4/5 or 4/5. So, in Nihongo it is 5/4. Next, we have sangbang, 68%. Nihongo, 68%. Yongbang, 1,000 yen. In Nihongo, 1000 yen. Dali lang, di ba? Gobang, we have 16 divided by 8 is equals to 2. Nihongo, 16/8 wa 2. Next, rokubang. We have 2/3. So, ito is fraction. 2/3. So, answer is, kotae wa Sangbuno ni. Sige wa, nanabang 5 times 9. So, ito nga sabi ko sa inyo kanina. Kayo ang sasagot ng mathematical operation. So, the answer is Tewa 45. Nihongo Go kakeru Kyu wa Yongju go. Sige, Hachibang. We have 88.0687. So, in Nihongo, it is 88.0687. Next, Kyubang. We have 250 yen discount. So, the price. Nihongo, Niyaku Goju and Waribiki. Next, or last, Saigo. We have 258 plus 242 is equals to, so kayo ulit magsasagot. Ang sagot is 500. So, in Nihongo, Niyaku Goju Hachi tasu Niyaku Yongju ni wa Goyaku. That will be all for today, Senpai. Thank you for watching on this video. Sana may natutunan kayo. And kung nagustuhan itong video na to, you can share it with your friends na nag-aaral ng Japanese language. Ganbate ko na sa'yo, Senpai. Mata ne!